Hello everyone, my name is Kenny and this is Team 4. We'll be presenting our topic, which is Project Quality Management. Project Quality Management is a process of continually measuring the quality of all activities and taking corrective action until the desired quality is achieved. Benefits of Quality Management. It helps in controlling the cost of the project by establishing standards and create a predictable methodology with project management practices to achieve stability and control. Project Quality Management Process. Project quality management should be planned into the project from the beginning and monitored throughout with three quality management processes such as plan quality, quality assurance, and quality control. Plan quality. Determine which quality standards are necessary and provides guidance to stakeholders on how quality management will be performed on the project. It will include stakeholder expectations, success criteria, standards applicable, roles and responsibilities, and quality control measures. The given chart is the data flow diagram of planned quality management. It includes the inputs required, tools and techniques used, and the outputs, which will be explained in further slides. The inputs for plan quality includes project management plan, requirement documents, stakeholder register, organizational process assets, enterprise environment factors, and risk register. Let's look into the tools and techniques used in plan quality. Cost-benefit analysis. A cost-benefit analysis is the process used to measure the benefits of a decision or taking action, excluding the cost associated with taking that action. Benchmarking. Benchmarking involves comparing actual or planned project practices to those of other projects to generate ideas for improvement and to provide a basis by which to measure performance. Design of experiments is a statistical method that helps identify which factors may influence specific variables of a product or process under development or in production. Cost of quality allows an organization to determine which of the use of its resources to activities to prevent poor quality. And the outputs for plan quality are quality management plan, process improvement plans, quality metrics, quality checks, and lastly but not least, project documents updates. Managed quality. Managed quality refers to the process of translating the quality management plan into quality activities that incorporate the organization quality policies into the project. It will translate the quality plan into action by implementing the process quality that is being implemented by the project manager, sponsor, and the rest of the team. So in managing quality, three major points need to be addressed. The project management plan and documents will serve as an input for this phase. This phase focuses on how the project will be executed, controlled, and monitored with tools and techniques such as data gathering, analysis, decision-making, representations, audit, and UI design. This phase will result in quality reports, evaluation, and test documents, and changes to the management plan. So for the inputs, project management plan defines the acceptable level of project and product quality and describes how to ensure this level of quality in its deliverables and process. Project documents are also covered as the inputs are including lesson learned register, quality control measurements, quality metrics, and risks are all used to analyze and evaluate the quality of the process and deliverables in this process. Organizational process assets will also directly impact the process managing quality itself by including the organizational processes, quality templates, results from previous audits, and lesson learned repository. Data gathering is an information gathering technique used for this process that includes a checklist used to verify that a set of required steps has been completed or to determine if a list of requirements has been met to ensure consistency. In data analysis, there are four types of approach. Applied adaptive analysis is the process of evaluating the identified options in order to choose the approach or quality option most appropriate for use. Document analysis is the next step, which includes reports such as quality reports and test reports. Process analysis identifies areas for process improvement, so during the analysis, problems analysis, constraints, and non-value added activities will also be examined. Finally, root cause analysis is an analytical procedure that identifies the basic underlying reasons for a variance, defect, or risk. When discussing alternatives that impact a project product, multi-criteria decision analysis is the most common technique used. Making project decisions can involve selecting between different implementation scenarios, all suppliers, scheduling, stakeholder satisfaction, and managing risks associated with the project.
Data representation techniques that can be used for managing quality are affinity diagram, cause and effect diagram, flowchart, histogram, matrix diagram, and scatter diagram. Audits are conducted to determine if project activities comply with organizational and project policies, processes, and procedures. Quality audit objectives include identifying all best practices being implemented, identifying all non-conformity, gaps, and shortcomings, sharing good practices implemented in similar projects in the organization, and offering assistance in the implementation of processes. Design for X is a set of technical guidelines that may be applied during the design of a product for the optimization of a specific aspect of the design, such as manufacturing, cost, service, quality, etc. Using the DFX may result in cost reduction, quality improvement, better performance, and customer satisfaction. Effective and systematic problem solving is a fundamental element in quality assurance and quality improvement. Problem solving methods include defining the problem, identifying the root cause, generating possible solutions, choosing the best solution, implementing the solution, and verifying solution effectiveness. Quality improvements can occur based on findings and recommendations from quality audits, problem solving, and quality control processes. The two most common quality improvement tools used to analyze and evaluate opportunities for improvement are Six Sigma and Plan, Do, Check, Act. The outputs of managed quality are quality reports, test and evaluation documents, change requests, project management plan updates, and project document updates. Now let's talk about control quality. The perform quality control process is concerned with monitoring work results to determine whether they comply with the standards defined in the quality management plan. It involves daily assessment of the activities undergoing in the project and monitoring, recording, completing, and correcting the outputs to meet the customer's expectation, and is an important step in the project management. When should quality control occur in a project? When project deliverables are produced, they are subjected to quality control before they are delivered to their end user. That means they need to be measured and compared against the standard that's been identified in the project management plan. These are the inputs, tool and techniques, and outputs that are involved in the control quality process. The project management plan defines how quality control will be performed within the project. Various project documents include any document that must be prepared and approved during a project. Examples are requirements, specifications, or contracts with vendors. Approved change request ensures all changes within a project are subjected through an evaluation before approval. Deliverables required to complete the project or a capability which is required for project completion. Work performance data is used by the project manager to make decisions about the status of the project. Enterprise environmental factors that can influence the control quality process. Organizational project assets such as guidelines, procedures, or templates that can be a part of a project. Moving ahead, here are the various tools and techniques that are involved in the control quality process. Data gathering, which may involve techniques such as checklists, check sheets, statistical sampling, questionnaires, and surveys to capture lessons learned. Data analysis, which may involve techniques such as performance reviews and root cause analysis. Inspection helps in examining the service or product and determine if it aligns with the document standards. Testing or product evaluation provides us with results about quality of the project and includes processes to find errors, defects, or issues that can be enhanced. Data representation tools help present data in visual format and helps to communicate outcome of the data. Meetings are conducted as part of the control process. Here are the outputs as part of the control quality process. Quality control measurements are documented results of control quality activities. Verified deliverables determines the accuracy and correctness of deliverables produced. Work performance information provides an insight on performance data and compare planned performance with actual performance. Change requests to modify any document or deliverables. Project management plan update and project document update takes into consideration the fact that some processes will require update to various project documents.